How to delete Expedia account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll be learning how to delete Expedia account. So to delete your Expedia account, you open your Expedia app on your mobile phone. After launching your Expedia app on your mobile phone, you'll be brought to the page where you see the Expedia account and other options, the destinations and all. Take a look at the lower part of the screen where we have icons like home, search, trips, inbox and account. Then you click on the icon account, you click on the account icon. Then you'll be directed to another page where we have options under where we have options like profile, communications, payment and all. On this page, we click on the icon settings. Then you wait patiently for it to load. You scroll down to the last part of the page, and at the lower part of the screen, you see the option which reads permanently delete your Expedia account and data. If you want to delete your Expedia account, kindly click on it, then you wait for the next page to load. And on this page, you'll be asked to state your reasons for wanting to delete your account. You can either click on the options, or you click on skip. Here you click on skip, then you'll be taken to another page where you would be given the reasons why you should not delete your account and important things that you're going to lose if you delete your account. And under it, you have two options which states permanently deleting your account or don't delete your account. So if you want to delete your account, you click on the option that says permanently delete your account, and that is how to delete your account on Expedia. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.